Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you on Smart Tech Expert YouTube channel. Today we would like to present the top 10 best laptops on cheapest cost. You can search top 10 laptops and can purchase online. Today's video is related about the cheapest laptops. So watch my full videos, and if you have already subscribed your videos, so thank you. If you have not subscribed, then click on below red color button subscribe and also like my video, this one. So continue for next top 10 laptops. Okay viewers, here is the my today smart news websites.com. You can get this link in my this video. Here is the different types of articles or write up. Today's video is the laptop technology, so click on this laptop technology and you can show top 10 best laptops, and we can continue reading here. Here is the list of top 10 laptops. On first number, Acer Aspire 5A515. This one is the powerful productivity AMD and maximum visual backlit keyboards and fingerprints. Here you can see the view of this laptop, and you can purchase this laptops after clicking on this link. Second is the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 laptop, powerhouse performance from AMD, and also IdeaPad 3 14-inch laptop has 4-side narrow bezels, quicker and cooler intelligent thermals, protect your webcam lens and guaranteed your privacy. Also Wi-Fi 6 includes a free 3 months trial, and this is the view of this, and you can purchase after clicking this buy now button. On number 3, Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop is the with 10th generation Intel Core i5, and here is the RTX it's on, and also visual intensity. Internal specification is the 8GB DDR4 RAM, and also for gameplay stay cool under this, and you can take control of your gaming laptop. Here is the view of this beautiful laptop with Windows 10 RTX, and you can click on this link and purchase on this laptop. Number 4 is the Acer Aspire laptop, powerful 11th generation Intel Core i3, and also here is the internal specification is it 4GB DDR4 RAM, 128 solid state drive storage. Okay, here is the using Alexa on PC. Your PC one is easy as asking a question. Secure operating system Windows 11 Home, and this is the actual view of this laptop, and you can purchase after clicking on buy now. On fifth, HP Chromebook 11-inch laptop. Here is the different specification. 11.6 inch is remote work ready, ports and connectivity, 1-year warranty. Google Play Store is also available, environmental responsibility, and this is the view, and you can buy this. Number 6 is the Lenovo Chromebook S330 laptop, high performance laptop, and 4GB DDR RAM, 64GB eMMC 5.1, and here is the powerful processing, built to connect us, full iOS port, and easy to use Lenovo box, and this is the beautiful view. And seventh is the HP Stream 14-inch HD, 14-inch. This one is available on 1.1 gigahertz processor frequency up to 2.6, 4 MB cache, Intel integrated UHD graphics, 664GB eMMC hard drive, 4GB DDR4 RAM, 2.0 2 USB 3.1, and full size Iceland style keyboard. This one is the view. On 8th position, Samsung Chromebook 4 Chrome OS compact light design with 11.6 display, military grade durability, ultra fast connectivity with gigabit Wi-Fi, advanced security with multiple layers of built-in virus protection, 12.5 hours battery life, Google Assistant enable. This is the view. On 9th, Acer Swift 3 thin and light laptop. Here is the 5700 ultra octa core processor, and here is the internal specification is the 8GB RAM, 512 hard disk, Windows hello with fingerprint reader, biometric connectivity is okay, and here is the view of actual laptop. 10th position is the Acer Chromebook Spin 311 convertible Chromebook runs on Chrome OS and operating system. Here is the different specifications. 100 GB hard disk. Google Drive is also supported, and this is the view. And you can buy clicking on this buy now button. You can also visit my website todaysmartnews.com, available in the video description of this video. So hopefully you have enjoy the today videos having top 10 best laptops available on amazon.com, and you can purchase from there. Thank you very much. For next video.